Don't throw old fridges, watch this first.
This old fridge turned into a chick house will shock you. Imagine an old broken fridge that people want to throw away. But what if we turn it into a cute home for baby chicks?
First, we remove all the old plastic parts and trays.
Now the fridge becomes empty like a small room. Next, we cut the top part and add a wire mesh.
This helps fresh air come in and lets us see the chicks. We smooth the sharp edges so the chicks stay safe. Then we add wheels at the bottom so we can move it easily.
We paint the fridge to make it look new and nice.
Now we set it up inside.
We add a bulb to keep the chicks warm.
We put dry grass on the floor to make it soft.
We place food and water inside.
Finally, we put the cute little chicks inside.
Now they are safe, warm, and happy.